everybody, today I'm checking out this wireless camera that I received for reviewing purposes. I think that it's really nice because as you can see it has a button right here, so you can click it and it will call whoever has the application. Which I think that it's really nice. It can tilt, you can place it upon the wall, on the ceiling, whatever you need it. And I think that it's really nice. We got the user manual in here, and let's see what we have here. Okay, it's all the hardware that we're gonna need to put the installation. In case that we're gonna place it upon a wall or into the ceiling. We got a USB-A to Type-C charging cable and a power adapter. Okay. We also get a guide so we can place the base. Here we've got me. Okay. You can see it's quite small, which I think that it's perfect. In here we have the charging port, and this is the button that I was telling you about. So we can use it to call the other person that is on the other side with the application, and you can use it in any case that you have kids around, so they can call you. And it has two-way audio, so we can both be talking without having any problem, which I think that it's really nice. It connects to Wi-Fi and to an application, and it will be sending you sometimes notifications where it detects some movement. It can detect humans, and it will track it, which I think that it's really nice. But well, let me configure it and test it out. Come on.
This camera is perfect to place it wherever you need it, and what I think that it's nice is that it's equipped with a 2K lens module, and it can rotate the structure so you can have a 360-degree horizontal and 75-degree panoramic field of view, making it perfect to take view of your pets, your kids, or anyone that it's needed, which I think that it's nice. It's also perfect to take care of your pets because it has a motion detection function that it's dynamic, so it in real time will be following up if it moves or anything, which I think that it's really nice. It will also highlight the motion or what it's moving around, which I think that it's really nice. And also I think that it's perfect because it has two-way audio, that it's perfect because you can use the OK signal or the button to make a call, and you can be talking through the application on anyone that's needed. As I've said, it can be for any kind of kids, seniors even, and the wireless camera supports stable 2.4 and 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection, so that ensures that you have a reliable remote monitor for anywhere that you are, which I think that it's really nice once that it's paired with the application, which I think that it's perfect because in the application you can see all the records, you can see any kind of notification, you can make all the necessary adjustments that you can make, and it has a 24-hour recording system with a memory card or uploaded them upon the cloud, which I think it's really nice. Overall, I think that it has some really interesting functions that are going to be really nice to use when you are taking a look at your kids, at your pets, or even any kind of seniors that need it. I think it's really nice. The motion detection features are really nice, and I also like that it has night vision, so you can perfectly see at night any kind of movement around, which I think that it's really nice. As I've said, it's great, and I will really recommend it. See you guys.